I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I just wanted to show you some new brushes that we now have available on the website. They are 100% Kalinsky hair of the highest quality, and they are the pastel aqua brushes. The shape of the bristles are a flat oval and the ferrule is crimped, which makes application of acrylic product so precise and so effortless and easy. Honestly, I absolutely love working with a flat oval brush. They are so freaking stunning. And just a closer look at the bristles and the crimped ferrule area. Seriously, so freaking beautiful. So I've gone ahead and I have applied the tapered square nail tips, and I've done all my prep work and applied my clear base just to save some time on this video. And I'm just coming in with some neon pink acrylic. Yes girls and guys, I am working on that acrylic line. Well, obviously the acrylic line is out, but I am working on the colours every single day. We are like creating new blends. We've got a lot of testing to do, all the safety data sheets. There is a lot of work going into this. And you guys, it's going to be bomb when it drops. And just know that you are getting the best products when everything is just spot on. Like, seriously. We ain't got no shortcuts where Glitter Planet or Nailmate is concerned. So anyway, I did a clear base of the crystal clear, and I'm coming in with the neon pink on the tip, and I'm just kind of feathering that up 3/4 of the nail, just leaving a short bit left free, and that is where we are going to apply the toasted rose. So this is what it looks like with all of that pink applied. We are just doing a thin layer. It doesn't need to be anything thick. We are not creating structure. It's just for design purposes. Okay, so now that pink acrylic has dried, I'm coming in with toasted rose, and I like to apply a bead right over where that pink finishes and blend it down the nail, and then I like to come in with that cuticle bead and blend down. If necessary, I will come in with some more of that nude cover if I feel that I need to really like kind of, you know, just diffuse that blend a little bit more. You kind of just work it to what you kind of want the nail to look like personally. I know some people don't mind it being a little bit not as blended, but I like to have a real seamless blend if I can like get one. So I will work and try and do that. It just takes a little bit of extra time, but it's definitely worth it for that final result of a beautiful ombre. So I am using the acrylic system here with the premium adhesive liquid. It's absolutely stunning to work with. Honestly, you guys that have used the system know how bomb it is. Unfortunately, we still are unable to ship the system internationally, but that doesn't mean that the powders and everything else is still kind of available for you guys that are international. I am going to be looking into distributors, so keep your eyes peeled. I promise I am working on it. It's not forgotten about. I've not forgot about you guys that are international. It's just that obviously everything takes a long time, and there are only me and Sean dealing with everything. So I did want to have a couple of accent or glitter nails, because I just feel like nails without glitter are just no fun whatsoever. So like, here we are adding some beautiful glitter, of course, and this is a new fine glitter. It's called Pearl Fire. It's absolutely freaking stunning. It's stunning on its own and also over the top of a multitude of colors. You can kind of get different effects and just really play around with it. It's perfect for sugaring, for buffing into gel, and also applying as I am here just over acrylics. Honestly, absolutely stunning. So I did the same process. I've basically just applied the glitter over the pink, and then we're going to go in with that toasted rose acrylic and blend that down really nicely, and it's just going to kind of really ombre and blend that glitter in. Usually I would like to apply my glitter kind of last and you know, blend it over the top of those nude covers, but I've really been loving that look lately where the glitter kind of disappears under that ombre. I really find it so stunning. And look how easy the acrylic is to work with. You get so much playtime with this product. I wanted to develop a system that wasn't going to set on you the instant that it touched the nails. Obviously it will take time to get used to the consistency, and the ratio is a little bit of a wetter system, so you need to kind of load your brush up a little bit more. But yeah, once you've got used to kind of the consistency, you will fall in love with it, I promise you guys. And if you don't, then I'm so sorry, you know what I'm saying? I try my best. So here it is before capping, and then I'm just coming in with that crystal clear and I'm capping all of the nails, mainly where the ombre kind of joins. I would say join, it's not really join, is it? But where the ombre is in the center of that nail, that's the main bit that we want to cap, and we just want to make sure that we are adding that structure as well. So I'm just going to apply the bead towards the top near the cuticle area, quite far down from that cuticle, because we don't need to cap near there. We don't want it too thick. But we do want to make sure that we are creating that structure and the apex. So I'm coming in, applying a bead and walking it all the way down the nail, making sure to keep it thin and consistent. Oh my god, Pixie's just said she has a boyfriend at nursery. I have just died. Anyway, it turns out that Sunny had actually told her to say that, and none of them actually know what it means. Thank the Lord, they just think that they are friends and boys. Anyway, moving on, I'm just capping this nail. As you can see, I've used a large bead of that crystal clear, and I'm walking it down the nail, making sure to really cap all of that glitter, because when we file, we don't want to be removing that. I hate when that happens, like you've got a full glitter nail and you accidentally like file into some of it, and it's like, what? How you do me like that? Like, seriously? You're gonna ruin my whole set? No, I am not playing. Okay, so because this is a super basic set, I just filed and buffed off of camera. Don't think I actually buffed this set, if I'm completely honest with you. But anyway, I'm going to be coming in with the Nail Mate Super Gloss Top Coat, and this is a no wipe LED UV top coat. Cure it for 30 seconds. No, cure it for 60 seconds in an LED light, and you are good to go. There's no wiping off that tacky layer. It's completely fully cured once you have set it in the light. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Once I have cured my nails and everything is dry and perfect, I allow that top coat to just settle down a little bit. We don't want to apply any cuticle oil when it's just straight out of the lamp, because you're going to cause that top coat to dull, and that happens with many brands. That will not just be with the Nail Mate top coat. So if you ever found that you've applied cuticle oil and the top coat seems to have gone dull, that's usually probably the reason. Just wait a few more seconds for it to cool before applying any top coat or kind of messing with the nails. So the cuticle oil that I'm using is the Nude coconut cuticle oil from my line. It's absolutely stunning. I have been loving using it, and as you can see here, my nails were a bit of a mess. Well, I don't know if you can see, but they were bad. I had been biting my skin, picking, being messy, packing parcels every damn day, and although I'm not complaining about that, my nails just got scratched up. My skin was bad. After using this oil, I promise my nails and skin feel amazing. I'll have everything linked for you guys down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Always remember, guys, that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.